I'm Rhiannon, and today we're going to be cooking a snapper on the Auspit.
Here we have a 600 gram pinky, which is also known as a baby snapper, caught right here in Port Phillip Bay in Melbourne by one of our local fishermen, Tony. So the pinky has already been gutted and cleaned, so the only thing left to do is to season it up. Today we're using Scout, a lemon pepper seasoning by Butcher's Axe BBQ. To help the rub stick to the fish, apply a small amount of olive oil on the inside and the outside. Now if you'd like to get some extra flavour into the fish, you can always stuff the belly with some garlic, rosemary, thyme, or even some wedges of lemon. Now the snapper's all rubbed up, it's time to get it in the basket and put it on the Auspit. So here we have our Auspit skewer, and to show you the versatility of cooking on an Auspit, we're cooking multiple cuts of meat today. So we already have the skewer preloaded with a leg of lamb, and now we're going to get our pinky and put it in the basket. Now it's time to get our pinky in the basket. To fuel our Auspit today, we're using some all-natural lump charcoal by Flaming Coals. And then to add that extra smoky flavour and extra heat, we're using some Australian ironbark splits. If you're out camping and don't have access to charcoal, it will work equally as well just using some ironbark, red gum, or whatever hardwood you have on hand. So we've got our lit charcoal in our fire pit. I like to use a small charcoal rake just to move the charcoal around before we add the ironbark splits. The fire's piping hot, our ironbark's on. There's only one thing left to do, and that's to swing the Auspit over the fire.
Now to keep our pinky nice and moist and to infuse some extra flavour, I like to baste with a mixture of lemon juice and olive oil. So our snapper here has been rotating for about 60 minutes on the Auspit. It's smelling absolutely beautiful. It's got that golden colour on the outside. Let's probe it and see if it's done. Absolutely perfect. 63 degrees Celsius, it's time to get it off the spit. And here you have it, our Australian caught snapper cooked on the Auspit basket, seasoned with Butcher's Axe BBQ Scout.